Good evening, my students. Today we are going to start the chapter HTML. Table of contents we have are its introduction, its features, HTML editors, building blocks of HTML, and basic structure of HTML code. Today we are going to study up to the structure of the HTML code. So let's start. Introduction. So what does HTML stands for? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Basically, it's used for creating web pages, web applications, designing the website. And it was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1990s. Tim Berners-Lee was the person who had also invented www. And which type of language is HTML? It is not a programming language, it is a markup language. Markup language means which is used for designing web pages. Features. So what are the features of HTML? First of all, it's very easy and simple to use, and there is no need of proper understanding of the programming. Okay, and it is platform independent. Platform independent means it does not require any particular software, like you no need to install any particular software from internet, like for C++, C, you need their compilers. But for HTML, you do not need any extra software. You can do it in Notepad also. And it is not case sensitive language. Case sensitive means like you can write HTML code either in small letters or capital letters. So this is not strictly mentioned that you should write in small, okay, like QBasic was also not case sensitive, right? So editors means where we can write the HTML code. So there are two types of HTML editors. The first one is what you see is what you get. That means it's very user friendly. Means the code, the basic structure are already pre-written there. If you type any alphabet, the code will automatically come. That means you no need to remember all the codes, all the commands. And the example of this type of editor is Macromedia Dreamweaver. This is the name of software. Okay. And text editor means Notepad, like you have to type the code, everything, HTML, every code you have to type again and again. Okay. Now, building blocks of HTML. So what are the basic things you should know about HTML? First of all, the code in HTML is a tag. All the code is known as a HTML tag. What does a tag mean? It will start with an angular bracket and close with an angular bracket. You can see. Attributes. Attributes means the property of that tag. Means suppose like our school is a tag and the students, teachers are their attributes. Like for example here, body, BG color means background color equals to blue. This blue is the value, blue is the value of BG color. And this BG color is attribute, blue is the value, and this body is the tag. Okay. Now elements. What does an HTML element means? HTML element is the individual component of an HTML file. Okay. That means everything written within the tags, okay, everything written within the tags are termed as HTML elements. Okay, let's see more examples. You'll understand this. See here, everything written inside or within the tags are known as element. So let's see what is a tag when we are starting this angular bracket P. This P is a tag. P means paragraph. Okay. This class means attribute. See here. And this GFG means its value. Okay. Whenever you are writing attribute, you should write its value also. Okay. And the content, like this is my web page. This is inside. There's a starting tag and end tag. See here. And ending tag. How does the ending tag look like? A forward slash and then angular bracket. Okay. And start tag, angular bracket, but not the forward slash. Okay. If you don't want to write any attribute, you can just write like that only. Okay. This angular bracket, opening and closing. So this tag is opening tag and this tag is closing tag. When you see this forward slash, this is a closing tag. Now let's see what is the structure of HTML. How does the HTML code look like? So the first line will be the HTML tag. Okay, always. Next line will be head tag. Okay, head tag means the heading of the page. Inside the head tag, see here, head tag is not closed now. Inside the head tag there is a title tag. Title means what is the title of your page. Not heading means different. Means in the heading tag is the parent tag, you can say, of the title tag. So my first HTML page, this is inside the head tag and it should be always inside the head tag. Okay. And see body. Now the contents of your web page. What will be the contents of the HTML page? So I have written only hello, how are you? And I have closed the body tag and lastly I have closed the HTML tag. Now see here, every tag has closing tag here, right? Title, head, HTML, body, right? So that means there are both opening and closing tag. So these things should always be present in all the HTML codes. Only the body part will be changed. Okay. And you can write the title according to your questions, according to your choice. There are no attributes in this code. This is the very basic structure of an HTML. Students, you need to run this program either in mobile app or in laptop. For mobile, you can install Easy HTML app from Play Store, and for laptop, you can use Notepad for this code. And always save the file by the file name .html. Don't forget to write .html, like how you were doing the QBasic file .bas, right? So always save the file as the extension of HTML file is .html. So your task is to show me the output of this basic structure of HTML either in mobile app or in laptop. If you have laptop, otherwise you do in your phone.